Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI on your phone. So the first thing that you have to do is go to the Janitor AI on your phone browser, and from there, just open the menu, then tap on the API settings. Now under the proxy settings, just choose custom/other API. And just copy and paste this in the API URL box. So I'm just going to be pasting it below, so you can just copy it and paste. So next is in the model box, you just have to type this DeepSeek -chat. So I'm also going to be pasting this on the description box. Next is to go to the DeepSeek's website and make an account, and also get your API key. So after that, just copy your API key and paste it into the Janitor AI's API key box. Then after that, just tap on save, then refresh the page. And that's it. Now your Janitor AI will use DeepSeek as your AI model. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!